Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Xbox controller via Bluetooth. First, ensure your controller is fully charged or has fresh batteries installed. Then, turn on your Xbox controller by pressing the central Xbox button. Finally, confirm that the device you wish to pair with has its Bluetooth functionality enabled and ready for new connections. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth pairing process. Next, you'll need to put your Xbox controller into pairing mode. Look for the small, circular pairing button located on the top edge of the controller, near the USB-C port. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 seconds. You'll notice the Xbox button on the front of the controller will begin flashing rapidly, indicating it's now discoverable by other Bluetooth devices. This is a key step. Now, on your chosen device, navigate to its Bluetooth settings menu. Initiate a scan for new devices. Your Xbox wireless controller should appear in the list of available devices. Select Xbox wireless controller to begin the connection process. Once successfully paired, the Xbox button on your controller will stop flashing and remain solidly lit, confirming a stable connection. You're almost ready to play. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your Xbox controller and the device you're attempting to connect to. Ensure no other Bluetooth devices are trying to connect simultaneously, which can cause interference. Also, consider updating your controller's firmware for the best performance and compatibility. Remember, some older Xbox One controllers might not support Bluetooth, so check your model if you're having persistent trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.